Welcome. So what is TeX and LaTeX? Well, LaTeX is built on TeX, which was written by Donald Knuth. And in his preface of his book that outlines TeX, he says that TeX is intended for the creation of beautiful books, and especially for books that contain a lot of mathematics. Now, TeX on its own is quite a difficult language to deal with, so there is a macro package called LaTeX, and that is what we're going to focus on in this course. So, LaTeX is a macro package originally written by Leslie Lamport, and it provides a document processing system. And you can describe the structure of documents, and you can use it to create very high quality typographical documents, especially documents of a scientific nature, but it is definitely not limited to documents that contain a lot of mathematics. LaTeX is not a word processor, as it encourages the author to focus on the content, and LaTeX will worry about the layout. And that is one of the main advantages of LaTeX. You can make sure that your content is well written, high quality content, and LaTeX will make sure that the layout looks really professional. So I want you to have a look at this figure. On the x-axis we have the document complexity and size, and then on the vertical axis effort and time consumption to create a document. Now I'm comparing two different ways of creating a document here, the traditional Microsoft Word compared to LaTeX. Now you can see the more complex and the larger your document becomes, like a thesis or a book, the more suitable it is to use LaTeX. Because the more complex and larger your document becomes, the more difficult it becomes to use Microsoft Word, and at some point Microsoft Word will just not be able to deal with the complexity of the document. So then you have to go over to LaTeX. When a document is very simple, sometimes Microsoft Word, for instance, will be easier. I encourage students to learn LaTeX. It's a huge advantage if you write in the academic world, if you write in the scientific world, and if you write professional documents. LaTeX is a really powerful tool. So why do this course in the first place? Well, LaTeX allows you to create very high quality documents. It has the most sophisticated math typesetting engine available today. It allows you to create sophisticated page, paragraph, and line breaks. It's got micro typographical ligatures, letter spacing, hanging punctuation, etc. And this all contributes to the professional look and feel of your document. It can allow you to create floating figures for optimal page layout with graphics and tables, easy cross-referencing of equations, figures, tables, sections, etc. You can also add hyperlinks, and it is very easy to write and typeset mathematics in LaTeX. It has a powerful linkage to bibliography databases and citing mechanisms, and in this course I will show you how to use Mendeley to set up your bibliography database of all your sources, how to export that to BibTeX, and how to include that into your TeX markup. It creates automatic tables of contents, list of figures, list of tables, bibliography, etc. And it's worth emphasizing that LaTeX offers you very high quality documents.